It's 11 p.m. and your report is due tomorrow, but you are still moving small boxes and arrows trying to make one diagram look right. We have all been there. Making diagrams, org charts, floor plans, and presentations by hand takes too much time. It is one of the biggest hidden problems in work and school, and no one warns you about it. And it gets worse. Visio is expensive, and most free templates look the same. You spend an hour fixing boxes and arrows, then one small change means doing it all again. There has to be a faster way to turn an idea into a finished diagram, and there is a faster way. It's called EdrawMax, powered by Wondershare. Just search EdrawMax on Google, open the official website, download and install it, and you're ready to start creating professional diagrams in minutes. Here, I typed one simple sentence, and it created a complete diagram that I could easily edit. It's an all-in-one diagram tool with built-in AI and over 200 diagram types, including flowcharts, mind maps, organizational charts, basic diagrams, graphs, floor plans, and many more. It can also open, edit, and export Visio files, so you may not need an expensive Visio subscription, and you can start for free. But the most useful part is its AI. So instead of just talking about it, let's test it with some real-world examples, the kind of diagrams you might actually use in a class, job interview, or business meeting. I'll start with something simple and type, generate a SWOT analysis slide for Netflix's streaming business in 2025. Within seconds, it creates a complete SWOT analysis that looks ready for a strategy deck or interview. And the important thing is that this is not a flat image. Every part is editable. I can move a box, rewrite the text, change the color, or adjust the layout however I want. Now, you might be wondering about the watermark. Don't worry, I'll show you later in the video how to properly export your diagram without it. But before that, let's try something a little more technical. I'll type, create a network diagram for a small office with 20 workstations, one main server, a firewall, and cloud backup. And now we have a full office network showing the computers, server, firewall, and cloud backup. This is the kind of diagram an IT team would actually use to plan or explain a setup. Next, let's try a floor plan. I'll type, generate a floor plan for a 900 square foot, 2-bedroom apartment with an open kitchen and 1 bathroom. It creates the full 2D layout, but this next part is what really surprised me. And as I promised earlier, this button lets you remove the watermark from the diagram. I can then insert it directly into my canvas and continue editing every part of it. Once the design is ready, I can export it in almost any format I need, including PDF. And when working with a team, I can simply invite others to the same project so we can edit and collaborate together. For real estate, interior design, teaching, or space planning, this can save a huge amount of time. EdrawMax can also create infographics, flowcharts, UML diagrams, timelines, Gantt charts, swim lane diagrams, ER diagrams, and many other visuals from a simple prompt. Besides these, you can also create process flowcharts, topology diagrams, scientific illustrations, biomedical diagrams, posters, symbols, stickers, and much more. But making a few small changes is still much easier than building the whole thing from zero. Now, to be fair, AI isn't magic. Sometimes the output needs a quick cleanup. You can also choose from over 30,000 ready-made templates. For example, I can open a Gantt chart, replace the phases with design, build, test, and launch, add the dates, and the project plan is ready. Watch its full plan you can edit or share. You can also create ER diagrams for databases. The image tools are useful too. So whether you are creating reports, presentations, floor plans, or project diagrams, EdrawMax helps you do it much faster. It is free to start and the link is in the description. You can download EdrawMax and try it yourself. Let me know in the comments what you would create first. And if you found this video helpful, watch my latest video about a free AI web browser that lets you compare different research sources in a single tab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.